Leg.
Well, he's a favorite, so that one.
Good job.
There you go.
She's such a good horse. She's
How's hands stuff I was going to give her?
5. So, yeah. They're ready for jumping this.
Yeah, he's just sailing through those places.
He's building confidence every time you go around.
Yeah, he is. He's just like,
You were smart to start with How's the Pongo, even though he can jump.
yeah.
That gets him in there and gets him familiar.
Nice, Natalie.
Right at the gate.